What if the difference between an average investor and a Wall Street legend isn't luck or even intelligence, but the way they train their brain? Neuroscience now proves that elite traders and investors aren't born special. They build mental systems that rewire how they think, react, and decide under pressure. In this video, we'll explore 7 neuroscience-based brain hacks that can transform the way you handle money, risk, and opportunity. Let's unlock how the brain of a market winner really works. Hack number 1, emotional control, mastering fear and greed. Every market cycle triggers the same primal forces, fear and greed. The amygdala floods us with emotion, while the prefrontal cortex fights to stay rational. The winners? They've trained their brains to balance both. When everyone else panics, they breathe slower, think clearer, and make logical decisions. Through meditation, mental check-ins, and emotional labeling, they keep their cool when billions are at stake. This isn't about being emotionless, it's about being aware, because awareness beats impulse every single time. Hack number 2, pattern recognition, training the investor's instinct. Have you ever watched a top investor predict a trend and wondered, how did they know? It's not luck, it's implicit learning. Over thousands of hours, their brain connects dots the conscious mind can't see. Their gut instinct isn't magic. It's experience stored as intuition. Neurofinance studies show that elite traders' brains literally light up seconds before markets move. They've rewired themselves to feel patterns faster than logic can explain. Hack number 3, risk calibration, thinking in probabilities, not emotions. The average investor sees risk as fear. The pros see it as math. Inside the striatum, the brain's reward center, dopamine doesn't just drive pleasure, it teaches balance. It updates beliefs after every win and every loss. The secret isn't avoiding risk, it's calibrating it. Wall Street winners journal every trade, analyze every mistake, and learn to think in odds, not outcomes. They've trained their System 2 thinking to step in when System 1 gets emotional. Hack number 4, cognitive flexibility. Adapt or be outpaced. Markets evolve faster than ever. The top performers know that what worked yesterday might fail today. Their brains are wired for adaptability. They welcome disconfirming evidence. They challenge their assumptions. Instead of saying, "I'm right," they ask, "What changed?" The greatest investors don't cling to being correct. They cling to learning. Hack number 5, delayed gratification, the patience dividend. Most people chase quick wins. Wall Street winners play the long game. Neuroscience shows that their prefrontal cortex suppresses the urge for instant reward, keeping them focused on long-term growth. They understand that compounding isn't just financial, it's mental. Every patient choice strengthens the neural pathways that support discipline. Impulsive traders react, strategic investors wait, and wealth grows in that waiting. Hack number 6, focused attention. Entering the flow. Picture this. A trader at peak concentration, fully immersed. Time slows down. Noise fades away. That's not luck. That's flow. In this state, the brain's default mode network shuts off, and all attention channels lock in. Elite performers engineer their environment for this. No phones, no chaos, just precision. Because focus isn't found, it's built. Hack number 7, continuous learning, the neuroplastic edge. The final hack separates the good from the great. They never stop learning. Every decision, right or wrong, becomes data. Through journaling, simulation, and feedback, elite investors continually rewire their neural pathways. This isn't repetition, it's evolution. Neuroplasticity ensures that the brain keeps adapting if you keep challenging it. The best on Wall Street know that success isn't a destination, it's a process of endless mental refinement. The truth is, Wall Street's greatest minds don't just trade stocks, they trade habits of thought. They've mastered 7 interconnected brain hacks that anyone can learn. Emotional control, pattern recognition, risk calibration, flexibility, patience, focus, continuous learning. You don't need Wall Street connections, you just need neural discipline. Train your brain and your decisions, financial or otherwise, will never be the same.